Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, July 6th, 2019. The largest earthquake in decades hit Southern California near Searles Valley on July 4th, a magnitude 6.6 at a depth of 8 kilometers. Then on July 5th, there was a magnitude 7.1 in the same region. So far, there has been one injury reported as well as damage to homes. This was the same area that experienced over 3,000 tremors within 30 days last month. On July 3rd, there was a strong magnitude 6.2 earthquake in the Pacific Northwest at the northern pit of the Cascadia subduction zone near Bella, Canada, at a depth of 12 kilometers. The Stromboli Volcano in Italy is still experiencing frequent explosions of moderate size from various vents, which has now collapsed a large section of the crater terrace. On July 5th, the aviation color code was raised to yellow and the alert level to advisory at the SemiSopot Volcano in the Aleutian Islands in Alaska due to an increase in seismicity above background levels. Officials will continue to monitor the volcano using satellite, infrasound, and seismic data. The Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone is approaching another record number of eruptions. The geyser has already erupted 26 times this year, the latest on July 4th, which puts it on track to surpass last year's record of 32 eruptions. The previous record was 29 eruptions in 1964. On July 1st, a massive 26-foot wide and 40-foot deep sinkhole suddenly opened in Naples, Italy, swallowing an entire garbage truck and prompting evacuations in the surrounding area. On July 4th, Anchorage, Alaska hit 89 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius, breaking the all-time highest temperature ever recorded at the official recording station. The previous record was 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius, which was set in June of 1969. Several recording stations in the Anchorage area hit 90 degrees or higher. The heat wave is expected to intensify and last into next week, as an unusually strong dome of high pressure will spread over the state in the next several days, possibly threatening all-time record highs in many parts of the state. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.